Hello, my respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Khan Aman Sabha Muhammad Iqbal, and I am here to present you the importance of COVID-19 vaccination. As we all know, we all are going through Corona pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, and we are all affected by this. We are all affected by disease, coronavirus disease or pandemic. So, for fighting this pandemic, for fighting this disease, we need to take vaccination. For fighting, vaccination is important. COVID-19 vaccines are effective? Yes, COVID-19 vaccines are effective. They can keep you from getting and spreading the virus that cause COVID-19. COVID-19 vaccine also helps you keep from getting seriously ill even if you do get COVID-19. Getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you. COVID-19 vaccination is so important for yourself, for your family, for your society, for your children, everyone. We need to vaccinate, and it's our duty or it's our importance. COVID-19 vaccines are safe. Yes, COVID-19 vaccines are safe. COVID-19 vaccines were developed using science that has been around for decades. COVID-19 vaccines are not experimental. They went through all required stages of clinical trials. Extensive testing and monitoring have shown that these vaccines are safe and effective. COVID-19 vaccine have received and continue to undergo the most intensive safety monitoring in USA. After you are fully vaccinated for COVID-19, you can resume many activities that you did before the pandemic. You can resume activities without wearing mask or staying 6 feet apart, except where required by federal, state, or local, tribal, or territorial laws. People are not considered fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after their second dose of vaccination. But after the second dose or after you get fully vaccinated, it's like you are before pandemic. Like आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं, आप बिना मास्क के रह सकते हैं, आप पहले की तरह रह सकते हैं. COVID-19 vaccination is seriously important. Get vaccinated regardless of whether you already had COVID-19 or you not have COVID-19. Studies have shown that vaccination provides a strong boost in protection in people who have recovered from COVID-19. So, COVID-19 vaccination is important. Go take COVID-19 vaccination. Explain or motivate your society members, your neighbors, and everyone to take vaccine, to get vaccinated because it's really important for we all is really important for this world. It's really important for we to fight. My second topic is what precautions to take before and after corona vaccination. It's really important for we all to know what we have to do before and after we get corona vaccination. Before you go, do your research. There's a lots of misinformation about vaccines online, so it's important to always get your information from trustworthy sources like UNICEF and WHO. Check whether you have allergy or not with the ingredients of coronavirus vaccination may have ingredients that may be allergic to you, so you have to check on it. Go to your doctor, talk to your doctor about this, and take advice of doctor that you have to take vaccination or not. Talk to your doctor about your common health checkup. Girls, do not go for vaccination during menstruation. Don't take vaccination if you are currently dealing with COVID-19. During COVID-19, it's really important to do not take vaccination. Before vaccination, go to your doctor, do your common health checkup, talk to your doctor about your health, take doctor advice, and then go to vaccinate. And after vaccination, after you've been vaccinated, stay for monitoring. The healthcare provider should observe you for about 15 minutes after the vaccine is administered to make sure you don't have any immediate reaction. However, it is extremely rare for severe health reactions. Be prepared for some side effects: arm soreness at the injection site, mild fever, fatigue, headaches, muscles or joint aches, chills and diarrhea. This is a common side effects of COVID-19 vaccination, and this will stay for about 2 to 3 days, and after 2 to 3 days you are normal. So you really need to take the information of what you have to do before and after corona vaccination. So this is important for your health. So get vaccinated, get healthy. Earth before and after COVID vaccination. As I have already explained you about the importance of corona vaccination and precautions of corona vaccination, now we should know what is the importance of vaccination for Earth. Like, we are living being of Earth, we live on Earth, and we are suffering from corona disease, corona pandemic. We all are suffering, we all are with this, we all have got diseases and all that things. We all are suffering, we all getting ill, we all getting affected by this. So it's our duty to take vaccination for ourselves, for world, for our living, for our environment, for our society. If one take the vaccination, then if one encourages the other, and the cycle goes on, and this will improve our health of the world. This will improve the health of the world. If it will improve our health, and increasingly it will improve everyone's health, and this is important for our Earth. We really need to take vaccination for ourselves, for the betterment of Earth, for the betterment of we. So as you can see in the chart, as you can see, the first part of the chart is there is a picture of Earth, which is showing Earth is sad or threatened by coronavirus. And here in the middle, vaccine picture is showing. They're showing vaccine is ejected in virus, and after this there's a second picture, and in this picture the world is feeling happy. The face of world is looking happy. So for this happiness we need to take corona vaccination.